Hi guys, welcome to my page. What are we cooking today? We are cooking reserve sauce. That what I name it. You'll be wondering, what is this woman saying? Yes, I name it reserve sauce because anytime I have it in my corner, I'm always at peace because I can use it to grill my chicken, to grill my fish. I can use it to cook my concoction rice. Yes, I normally have this done once in a week, and it's my last for like 2 to 3 weeks, depending on how I use it, depending on the usage. Yes, this reserve sauce is wow. And the ingredients are not much. Yes, the ingredients are not much. Just get a different colors of pepper, just as you are seeing in this video. Your onions, yes, the vegetable oil. Just follow the step, the process, and after this you blend it. Yeah, we blend it where our sauce is ready. Then you can preserve it. You can put it in your fridge. Yes. Stay tuned. Thank you guys. Kindly comment and like. I love you. Bye.